in this video, I'm going to tell you if this AI home design tool is actually very good. So as you can see, this is the ultimate AI toolbox for property listing. And by the way, if you want to try out this home AI app for completely free, I'll drop the link in the description below. So there are a lot of AI tool you have access to with this AI platform. Let me mention a few. The first one is the visual staging. This is where you upload an empty room and this AI is going to decorate it for you by adding all of the necessary furnitures. The image enhancement is if you have a picture of a building or of a listing of a home and the quality is not what you want, then this can actually improve the quality significantly. And this day to docs AI is going to help you change the picture from day to night. So if you took the picture of a building in the morning and you want to also have another picture in the night without taking a new picture, this is what you use. And this one, the item remover, is actually one of my favorites. So if you have a building or a home with furniture and you upload it, it's going to remove all of the furniture and it's going to provide you with an empty space. So for the product tutorial, we'll be trying the visual staging. So basically, this is where you upload your picture of an empty home, and this is this is the example of how the picture should be. This is a bad picture, bad photos, and this is a good photos. You want your photos to be very spacious, wide angle, visible corners, and very good lighting. So let's use the sample. So this is an example of a good picture you can actually use. So let's assume this space is what I want to decorate. So if you upload a picture that has furniture already, you can use this feature to remove the furniture. This is going to automatically remove the furniture, but for this there's no furniture, so we can move on. So the next thing is to select what this space is. So let's assume this is a living room. So of course you can choose wherever you want, so depending on what the space is. So I want to use this as the living room. You also need to choose the style that you want. There are many options, so let me use modern. So and the next thing is to click on generate. So as you can see, guys, it is done generating and it did a very, very good job. I mean, this is a very beautiful living room. So it gave me 3 exceptionally unique design for this living room, and I can choose which I prefer. And if you don't like the design, you can actually click on regenerate to actually generate new design. So another thing you can do is if there's a part of the design you don't like, for example, let's say I don't like this art piece here, all I have to do is to click on remove item. Once you click on remove item, you'll be on this page. Then all you have to do is to use the brush tool and brush out. Make sure you hold down the brush tool until you finish brushing out the part that you don't want. So once you do so, it will start removing that part. All you have to do is to wait for it to get it done. All right, guys, so if you look closely now, it has removed the art piece that I said I do not want. So this is how you can remove anything you do not want in this building. So if you stick around, I'll also show you how to change the furnitures only. If you like the structure of the building and you only want to change a piece of furniture, you can also do it. So once you finish removing what you want to remove, you can click on done. So now, guys, so the new removed one would also be here. So now you have 4 options. This is very, very cool design. Just remember to choose what you want. Is it for a living room? Is it for bathroom? Whatever you want, just choose. Just follow the instruction. It's very easy. And if you want to try out this AI home app, then like I say, for free, the link will be in the description below. So now let me show you the other tools you have access to once you sign up for this. Let's go to under the interior design. So they have a lot of tools. They have 3 tools under interior design. So the interior design tool is basically, it is going to redesign your room. So you're going to snap your room the way it is, and it's going to change the design for you. It might change some few things there, but it is not going to change much. So for example, look at this design. This is the original and this is the new redesign. And this is the original and this is the new redesign. And finally, this is the original and this is the new redesign. As you can see, there's no much changes there. If you want to try out this AI interior designer, then the first link in the description below. It also has AI furniture restyle. So if there's a particular furniture you want to change, you can actually change the color and the style of the furniture. You can highlight the furniture and it's going to do it for you. These are some examples. This is the original and this is the after result. It changed this furniture, and this is the original and this is the after result, and this is also the original and this is the after result. It changed only this furniture. So this is very good if you love the design but you want to change only one piece of furniture. So if you want to check this AI furniture style, it will also be the first link in the description below. And finally, for the interior design tool, under the interior design tool, it also has AI furniture set style. So if you want to change the whole furniture set, this is the one you would use. So it is going to change all of the furniture, and these are the examples going to change all of the furniture. And so now let's go under the home renovation. So there are a few tools here that I actually love. The first one is the AI wall change. So if you generate your design and you want to change only the wall, so this is the AI tool you will use. These are some cool results, changing only the wall. So again, you can use the AI floor change to change only the floor. So this will change only the floor design, as you can see. So finally, this is the AI ceiling change. With this one, you can change the ceiling for any building. So if you generate a picture and you don't like the ceiling, you can test around and choose the kind of ceiling that you want. So this is going to mark the end of this home AI app review. And if you want to try this app for completely free, I'll drop the link in the description below so you can test out all of these AI features. Keep in mind that once you sign up for your account, you have access to all of these AI tools as part of your subscription. Bye.